You clicked on this video, which means you want to create stunning top-tier titles and are willing to do what it takes to learn the techniques used to display complete and utter superiority. Be warned, as you're about to be exposed to the method that separates good editors from god-tier creative beings. And it lives in a place that many people may fear, the Fusion page of Davinci Resolve. However, if you're willing to unlock your full, terrifying potential, then this video is for you. Because what we will be creating is this sweet, stunning text effect, which can also be completely customized and stylized to your own liking. Start off by dragging a text plus node into your timeline, and clicking on this cool button right here, and it will take you into the Fusion page. Your first step of maturity is accepting that you'll be using Fusion nodes if you want to make stunning effects. And trust me, they won't always look like this. For now, select your text node and customize its appearance to your liking. To change the color, go to the Shading tab and select your favorite color. And if you're feeling fancy, you can use gradients. The next step is making your text look slightly more appealing to the human eye. And that's by adding the Soft Glow node, which is done by tapping Ctrl Space and searching up Soft Glow. Now your Soft Glow node has appeared, and you can change these values to influence how the final result will look. Mess around with the threshold, gain, and scale until it looks good. And now the hard part is actually getting the text to do the motion animation. And this is where we increase our brain activity, if there was any at all. Go to your text, then right-click on the text box. Select Follower, and click on this Modifier tab. Now we will be animating the text. Go to a frame that is at a reasonable distance. I will go to frame 10. Next, go over to the variables you want to animate, and click on these keyframe icons over here. And if you see this new path modifier, just ignore it and go back to the follower modifier. All we're doing right now is telling the program that this is the final position we want the text to be in. By the way, if you're animating the size, just right-click on Size Y. Select Expression, and drag this plus icon towards the size X. This will ensure that they stay at an equal ratio, while saving you some extra keyframing. Once you're done setting the final keyframes, go to frame 0. Move and change the variables, so that the text will look like what you want the first frame to be. I'm sure by now, you've noticed that all the text is moving at once. That's where we deploy this powerful technique, delay. What this does, is it changes the delay between each text, or the time it takes to reach the end. And as we can see now, the text is nearly perfect. All we have to do now, is open this spline editor. Now just adjust each keyframe. Click on this button right here, and select each keyframe. Click on Smooth. And adjust these handles, so that it forms a 90-degree angle to the left. Do this for each keyframe. And voila, you have a smooth, elegant, sexy text animation. The best part about this is that it can literally be any sort of animation that you want, with full customizability. However, this is not enough if you want to reach master level editing. If you want to become the top 1% of editors, subscribe and hit that bell because I will be uploading some insane videos very soon. In the meantime, you can watch this video.